So with highs in the upper 90s today and heat indexes well in the 110s and higher, Peevely decided to cancel due to the extreme heat today. They made that decision yesterday afternoon. So I decided to put a video together for you guys that like just strictly the in-car stuff. This is the full in-car feature coming up here shortly. We're making great strides on this car over the last month. Daryn's getting it figured out, what changes to make and when to do it. We're really looking forward to the rest of the season. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, hit that thumbs up button for us, please. Drop us a comment. I do read about 99% of them and try to respond back in some way. If you're not a subscriber, you can do so by hitting the picture of Daryn's race car in the lower right-hand corner. And the plan is for next week, I do believe Brownstown Friday night and Highland on Saturday. So catch you all later.
did you have any idea how much of a hot rod you had when you unloaded here tonight?
No, I didn't. This is Mike Harrison, Randy Cordy, them guys out there. They've learned a lot this year. Mike's been really good, and it's just flowing down to me because I've been struggling so much. This is their crap on here right now. It's our shocks, but it's Randy set it up. Mike gave me a heck of a coaching lesson at Peebly the other night, just to get my head back in the game, and I can't thank them enough, my guys, for sticking it out, because I mean, it's been a roller coaster for us. And then how about this freaking crowd? I love the fair. Oh my God. Hell yeah. It's hotter than hell and you guys stuck it out. Thank you.
You got some beer. You're going to get you some fair food a little bit later on. We're going to be on YouTube, by the way.
Yeah.
We're always on YouTube.
Yeah, give me some chuck wagon, some bricks and nachos, and drink a couple beers and celebrate this one. I know my dad, I've been spending a lot of his money, so he keeps me going. Me and my wife, we moved to Highland, and we love it here, but it made me to where I couldn't help on this thing. So this is all him. He keeps this thing going. These guys work their asses off on it, so all of them. I'm sure aggressive crews up there, they keep us looking good. Hooker harness, I know Neil gave us that straps tonight. Everybody that's involved in this thing, thank you very much.
All right, that'll do it. It's time to celebrate.